guys, and welcome back to my nerd cave. Today we have a Sega Game Gear that I picked up on eBay. And you might notice the audio is a little off today. I have some background noise. I'm trying a few different camera angles and I'm experimenting a little bit, so I don't have my normal microphone going right now. But anyway, so this came from eBay. Somebody attempted to repair this before. I tested with some batteries and there's absolutely no power. So what we're going to do today is we're going to get it under the microscope and we're going to check it out and see what's going on with it. Batteries in. Now, I don't know if you can see, but we have a replacement power connector here. And you can tell that it's been recapped already. This is the 2 ASIC edition. The soundboard and, as far as I can tell, the power board have also been recapped. And nothing. Also, we can try it with DC power. Oh. It appears to be trying. Okay, that's something. Let's get this thing down to board level. All right. Now it's time. Let's get underneath the microscope and see what it looks like. It's a little bit, and when I say a little bit, I mean a lot, corroded. Yeah. Couldn't really see it without the microscope, and this is one of the aftermarket Retro 6 replacement cables, which they're pretty good. I've used them myself in a few projects. That one's got a little afro. Now I'm not sure. I don't have a lot of experience with the 2 ASIC version of this, but I'm not sure if this is supposed to be bridged or not. I think I'll need to check the Retro 6 wiki and take a closer look, but I don't remember any of those pins being bridged like that. Okay, so I cannot in good faith say that these are the right capacitors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all these capacitors, get this board cleaned up, and then I'll show you how I install a few, and I'll whiz through the rest of them really quickly. Let's check the soldering on that cable. let's clean it up and we can get a better look at it here in just a minute. I don't know how I missed this, but it looks like L3 is missing, and what they've done is replaced it with a jumper, which it can kind of work depending on what this L1 does, but I believe this is part of the backlight circuit, and I don't know what this is. It's all over it. It's pretty disgusting. Let's continue. Let's keep cleaning this thing and we'll get that jumper removed later. Okay, now I think it's time to start replacing a few of these capacitors. Let's start with the 100 UF. We'll get those replaced and work our way down to the 10 and then the 1. We are going to be using 1206 100 microfarad. Let's replace this guy while we're here. Now it's time to pop in the 10 microfarad. It's time for the 1 UF. Do the one, we'll put the 1 microfarad on. Then I think we're going to be ready to test. Did make sure that the spot on our ASIC is indeed supposed to be bridged, so no big deal there. All right, let's do a good clean. You know how we do it. As far as I can tell, I think we are now ready to put it back together, and that's assuming that the soundboard and the power board that the seller recapped actually works, but we're going to assume for right now that it does. So let's get this guy put back together and see what happens. Well, the game is definitely booting, but as you can tell, the screen is shot. So I have some replacement LCD screens, and I actually have several of them, and I have a few Game Gear projects coming up. Okay, so we cleaned him up, we recapped him, we were able to replace the inductor. Like I said, for now, I feel like this was a bit of a success. The screen doesn't work, but that's not something that we're too concerned about. So I'll get him labeled up, put away, and we'll come back to this particular board in another video. Okay, when a success. Thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate the support, and I hope to see you again on the next one.